This is a hands-on meditation. You'll need something to hold in both hands. Something that is comfortable and has a nice weight to it, like a couple of oranges, baseballs, stones, or beanbags. Go ahead, pick them up, and make yourself comfortable. If your legs are tight, you can sit on a towel or pillow, or you can lean against the wall. You can also sit in a chair, whatever works best for you. Okay, we're ready to start the meditation. Notice the weight in your hands as you gently close your eyes. Concentrate on the weight in your right hand. Roll it around between your fingers and thumb. Focus on the texture, the temperature, any unusual features. Find a comfortable position and allow your fingers to gently close. There's comfort in feeling the weight and support in your hand. Just let it sit there. Now bring focus to the weight in your left hand. Roll it around. Concentrate on the features. And find a comfortable position as you close your fingers. And sit quietly for a moment. Your attention will probably come and go during the meditation, and that's okay. If you find yourself distracted and thinking about something else, no big deal. Just be aware that you're wandering off. As you relax, you may begin to remember things that you need to do, and you may find yourself more distracted. You're not doing anything wrong. The meditation isn't causing these thoughts. They've probably been bothering you all day. You've just been too busy to notice. These thoughts are normal. Don't try to stop them. Just keep your focus on the weight in your hands. Let the heaviness settle into your skin. Try to feel your pulse beating gently against the weight. It's a subtle rhythm, a very light sensation. If it's hard for you to feel your pulse, that's okay. Just allow yourself to rest quietly. You can let your mind drift off for a moment and listen to the sounds around you. Notice your breathing. Has it slowed down? Feel the gentle movement of your abdomen as it expands and contracts. Turn your attention back to your hands. Concentrate on the weight as they gently rock back and forth with each breath. like riding on a subtle wave. Go ahead and count the breaths silently. As you inhale 1 and exhale 2. When you reach 10, you can start over. And we'll do this a few times. If your mind starts to get distracted, that's okay. Don't fight the thoughts, just let them be, and turn your attention back to your hands. Roll your fingers around for a moment if that helps you focus on something, as you sit there quietly. As you relax, your fingers will naturally open up. Eventually, you'll lose the sensation of weight in your hands. Your mind is calm, and you can just let go. Take a moment to scan your body. Notice which muscles have relaxed and which areas are still holding on to stress. You don't have to do anything. Just be aware of the breath, how you feel, and any changes that are taking place. You're doing a good job, and you can continue the meditation as long as you like. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and sit quietly for a moment before you get up.